Hello children, so welcome back to yet another video of this exercise 6.2 from the chapter triangles. And in these few days you must have seen there has been a lot of changes in the syllabus. So it is good news for some, and for some students I know they're a little bit disappointed, those who have studied from the very beginning itself, because those who are preparing for other competitive examinations, definitely they must have completed their course. But we understand some of the students who are in the remote areas, they may not be able to complete the course which the others would have been found very easy to do. So let's see. Okay, it's a mixed bag feeling. Let's see. So wish you all best for your preparations, and I think as the syllabus is out, so you should start your preparations very seriously. If they are reducing the syllabus in the same way, your question paper will be very detailed one. You have to study your course in a very detailing way. You cannot leave any portion. But I've seen that some of the chapters that they have deleted, important questions would have been set from those chapters. But if they are deleting those chapters, that means from the other portion, you have to be very careful. You cannot leave anything because they may go in detail in those chapters. Okay, so don't think that it is now easy for you. Rather, it has become a little bit difficult because a lot of intensive study is required. Okay, so let us start now. So today we will complete question number 8, 9, 10, and then with this I complete exercise 6.2 of this triangle chapter. Okay, so the question is, using theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Recall that you have done it in standard 9. Okay, if you remember. If you don't remember, let's see. Okay, first let me do the diagram. Okay, so what does the question say? That we have a triangle ABC. First let us draw a triangle ABC, and then it is telling that prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of the triangle. So I am doing it in a different color. Let D be the midpoint and here E is the midpoint. Okay, line joining the midpoints of any two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side. It is given that this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Okay, so let us start this theorem, start proving it. Okay, so first let us write what is given. Okay, what is given? ABC is a triangle. Okay, this is the first point, and second point is D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. Okay. Okay, so now let us start. First we do to prove. Fine. So to prove. What is to prove? We have to prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. That means DE is parallel to BC. Okay, done. So now let us start the proof. Okay, Now since D and E are the midpoints, so what can you say? We can say that therefore AD will be equal to DP and AE is equal to EC. Okay, fine. Now if this is the case, what can we say from the similar triangle concept? Okay, let us think about that. Now if AD is equal to DB, then I can write AD by DP is equal to 1. Similarly, AE by EC is equal to 1. Okay, fine, no problem till now. So if this is the case, then what can I say? If AD by DB is equal to 1 and AE by EC is equal to 1, then I can write AD by DP is equal to AE by EC, which is equal to 1, or this implies that AD by DP is equal to AE by EC. Fine. So we can say that if in a triangle ABC, so if in a triangle ABC, D and E are the points that divide the sides in the same ratio, then according to the converse of basic proportionality theorem, we have DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so this is proved. Now let us go to question number 9. Let's read the question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. So no diagram is given for this question. Let us first draw the diagram. So first let us draw. ABCD is a trapezium. So you know in a trapezium that the opposite sides are parallel. Okay, they may not be equal, but the opposite sides are parallel. So what I have done, I have taken A, B, C, D as the trapezium. ABCD is the trapezium and AB is parallel to DC. Again it is given its diagonal intersect each other at O. So for the diagonals I am taking a different color pen so that you do not confuse. Sorry, this should be a straight line. Okay, so these two BD and AC are the two diagonals. They are meeting at O. Okay, now see, it is a straight line. Fine. Okay, now our question is, we have to find out AO by BO, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Okay, how to solve this one? So let me do one construction here. What is the construction? From O here I am drawing a line which is parallel to, wait, I'm telling you. First let me draw this line. This is our E. Okay, so I am for the construction part, I have drawn a line OE which is parallel to AB, as well as OE is parallel to DC. Now you must have got the hint how I will proceed. Okay, so let us start. Given. First you have to write what is given. So what is given? A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Fine. Okay. And in this trapezium, which two sides are parallel? AB is parallel to DC. It is already given in the question. Okay. And another thing, a diagonal AC and DB intersect at O. Fine. Okay. So now this is the given part. So we go to proof. What is to proof? Whatever is written in the question, just write it there. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Clear? Okay. Now let us go to the construction part, because I have already done the construction. So in the construction you have to write, draw OE parallel to AB and OE parallel to DC or CD. Okay, fine. Now let us start the proof. Okay. Proof. So in proof, first let us take the triangle. See what I will do. See this. In triangle ADC, you already know that OE is parallel to DC. If OE is parallel to DC, then I can write AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. Okay? Okay. Now let us write. Okay. So proof part is, in triangle ADC, OE is parallel to DC. Fine. Okay. If that is the case, therefore AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. Reason? BPT and give it as equation number 1. Fine. Okay. Now let us go to the other triangle. See, I have taken this triangle first and I have written AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. But in the construction I have also written that OE is parallel to AB. So I take this triangle, ABD triangle. If I take ABD triangle, OE is parallel to AB. Then what can I write? I can write DE by EA is equal to DO by OB. I can write now? Okay. Chalo, likhte hain. So first part is over. Now the second part. Second part is, in triangle ABD na? ABD, you know OE is parallel to AB. So I can write ED by AE is equal to DO by BO. So for those who cannot see it. I am drawing it here like this. See, this was AB, this was AD, and this was the diagonal. See, AB, and this was D. This was somewhere we had O, and this was the parallel line E. Okay, so I can write ED by AE is equal to DO by BO. Okay, so again, what is this? This is by BPT. Okay, so if this is the case, I am writing it BPT. Now if you compare these two equations, what do you see? Here I find AE by ED, but here it is AD by E. चलो इसको थोड़ा उल्टा कर देते हैं. If I write this one like AE by ED, इसको मैंने उल्टा कर दिया तो ये भी उल्टा हो जाएगा. You will have BO by DO. Name it as equation number 2. Okay, can I do it like that? Yes, I can do. So from equation 1 and 2, what can you say? I can say that if the LHS is equal AE by ED is equal to AO by OC, here AE by ED is equal to BO by DO. If LHS, both the left hand side is equal, then the right hand side will be equal. So I can write AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. Okay, can I write it? Yes, I can write. So this is proved. Fine. So with this we complete question number 9. See, it is so easy, isn't it? Yes. Now we'll go to question number 10. Question number 10. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This we have proved in 9. Question number 9, isn't it? Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Oh, this is just the converse of question number 9. In question number 9, it was given ABCD is a trapezium and you had to prove AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Here it is given AO by BO is equal to CO by DO and you have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Very easy. I know you must be thinking, array, same, very easy. Chalo. So let us first draw the diagram. I want to draw the diagram here little bit lower. Okay, so that while solving it we can refer it. So what was the diagram? Diagram is let us draw it the same way. कुछ इसमें इधर उधर नहीं करते हैं so that आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Okay, this is A, B, and sorry, it should be either you do it cyclic or that is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, उसको उल्टा पुल्टा नहीं करना. And here this was the diagonal, and we have another diagonal here. This is O, and let me do the same way what I had done. That is the construction part from here. Let this be E. Okay. Chalo. Baat khatam. Now let us start doing it. So as per the question, what is it? You have A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Chalo. Given. Let us write the given part first. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Is a quadrilateral. Okay, so if ABCD is a quadrilateral, then you have it is given that what it is given, AC and DB are the what ABCD sorry AC and DB are the diagonals. Okay, and they are meeting at O. So I am just writing, if it is the quadrilateral, then AC and DB are the diagonals. AC and DB meet at O. Fine. Such that, और क्या दिया गया है? Such that AO by BO is equal to CO by D. Fine. हो जाएगा AO by CO, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. अच्छा, if we do some correction here, यहीं पर कर देते हैं. You will come to know later on कि why I have done this, which says that, see, CO I am bringing here, DO, BO I am taking it there. AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. Okay, I am writing it here. Later on you will come to know why I have written this. Okay, acha. Now let us go to to prove. First it should be given, then to prove, then construction if any, and then we start the proof. To prove, what is it? A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Okay, you have to prove this. चलो construction लिख देते हैं. What was the construction? Construction was OE is parallel to AB and DC. Okay, same as the previous one. चलो अभी let us go to the proof part. Proof. Now in this proof क्या करें, पहले कहाँ से शुरू करें? First let us take triangle ADB triangle. Okay, देखो it will be the same way like in question number 9. So in triangle ADB, what do you have? You have OE parallel to AB. If OE is parallel to AB, then I can write DE by EA is equal to OD by BO. Yes or no? DE by EA is equal to DO or OD by BO. I have written in a ulta way, that should not be done. Okay, but I have written it. Chalo. It should be DO. It should not be OD. So I am giving the why reason is BPT. Okay. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा उल्टा कर देते हैं. चलो, इसको I can write EA by DE just like the previous one is equal to BO by OD. Can I write? Yes, I can write. Fine. Then name it as equation number 1. Similarly, because why I am writing similarly? Because I have done exactly the same thing in question number 9. Similarly, in triangle, we had taken ADB. Now I will take ADC. In triangle ADC, you can refer. What I can write in triangle ADC? I can write AE by ED. Okay, AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. Can I write it? Yes, I can write it. Okay. So now if I compare, give this as equation number 2. This is again BPT. So if I compare equation 1 and 2, see here it is AE by ED. Here also AE by ED. So I have written in a wrong way. So this will be AE by ED. So left hand side is equal. Okay. If left hand side is equal, then I can write that BO by OD, BO by OD is equal to AO by OC. Okay. So if LHS in both the sides are equal, then from equation 1 and 2, what can we write? BO by OD is equal to AO by OC. Okay, but see, what was the question given? Question was, you have to, it is given that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, and here I had written AO by OC is equal to BOC. I had written this one. Okay, and here I have got this same thing I have got here. BO by OD is equal to AO by OC. I have got it. Okay, if that is the case, so I can write that you have a little bit to write. So therefore in triangle ADC, E and O are the points dividing the sides in the same ratio. You can write AD and AC, AD and AC in the same ratio. Therefore, so according to converse of BPT, you can say that EO is parallel to BC. Okay, you can write like that. But EO is parallel to AB. So therefore ABCD, therefore ABCD is a trapezium. Clear? Is it proved? Fine. So with this we finished this exercise 6.2. Okay. So my advice to you all is, don't relax that the portion is reduced. I think you have to be very cautious now. You have to work hard more now. You have to do very intensive study. Okay. बस ऊपर से नहीं देखना है, अंदर each and every numerical को properly solve करना. Okay. Wish you all luck and wait for my next video. Thank you.